morning to you all. I am Shreyadri, the student of grade 5, studying in Sri Ratnajyoti Secondary Boarding School. And today I am here to deliver you a short speech on the topic of proper utilization of time in productive and creative activities by students during lockdown. The Earth is the only planet in the whole universe with a compatible environment for the existence of all the living beings. It has all the required environment suitable for the survival of living things. The present time is also known as scientific era, so people are mostly attracted towards the scientific discoveries to make their life easier and comfortable. As a result, COVID-19, known as coronavirus, has shaken the globe and caused terror among the people. We hear allegations and counter-allegations among the countries for the spread of this pandemic. It is said that the virus has brought the globe to a halt for the last 2.5 months or so. All the economical, industrial, educational, political and sports activities have been ceased as the globe is going through complete lockdown. Our country, Nepal, is not an exception. Lockdown in our country began from 11th Chaitra and as WHO kept on warning about health hazards. Since then, it has been phase-wise up to 20th Jyeshtha. It is when the lockdown was to be enforced, the internal exams were conducted earlier than the usual and essay was postponed indefinitely. If we avoid the social gatherings, we would be able to save ourselves from the pandemic. All the schools and colleges are closed now, so the students have no other option but to spend their time at home. It is hard to spend time at home. From the power-packed schedule, most of the students are spending their time in front of the TV. They are at the stage when they should constantly learning something new and engaging themselves in productive and creative activities. I might seem that it is hard to spend their time at home, but here are some activities which can help them to pass their time in lockdown without stepping their foot outside of their house. The first one is doing exercise and doing yoga, as exercising and yoga helps to include a lot of energy and boost our stamina. And the second one is we can also engage ourselves in gardening, as gardening helps us to relieve stress and keep us busy. We can also spend our time with our family, and helping the family in household chores will keep us busy and make the family the household works would be easier to be done. We can also engage ourselves by painting, sketching, drawing and coloring, as it helps us to make our drawing skills better. We can also engage ourselves with the hobbies like dancing, cooking, singing, playing musical instruments and many more. We can do anything with what we are comfortable with. It is always good to get lost in a good books, read comics and read genres that will interest you, and you can also learn a new language. During lockdown, I learned many things like cooking, dancing, playing musical instruments and singing. So we should not waste our time in front of the TV or playing mobiles. We can study online classes and make our life easier and comfortable. Without wasting our time, we should be learning constantly something new, and we should be learning something new of household chores, and we should make our time not be wasting. Thank you.